So we can use the law of cosines to solve triangles that don't have a right angle for two different cases. When you're given measures of 3 sides or the measures of 2 sides and their included angle. So if we're given triangle ABC with lengths A, B, and C, and they're opposite angles with measures A, B, and C respectively, so each angle corresponds to the respective side, then we use these formulas to solve for different sides and angles. So if we're given a problem where it gives us 3 sides, 20 feet, 6 feet, and 24 feet, and we're looking for angle A, we plug in 6 for side A, because it's across from angle A, equals squared equals 24, which is side B, squared plus 20 squared minus 2 times B again times 20, which is C, times cosine A, because that's the angle we're looking for. And then we simplify that, which gives us 36 equals 976 minus 960 cosine A. We subtract 976 from both sides. That leaves us with negative 940 equals negative 960 times cosine A. Divide both sides by negative 960, and it gives us this 0.97. And then to find A, you have to do the inverse cosine of both of this number, which gives us 11.7 degrees. Let's say we're given a different equation and it gives us 2 sides and 1 angle. And in this case, we are given angle A, so we still use the same equation as before. So it would be, but we're looking for side A. So A squared equals 32 squared plus 40 squared minus 2 times 32 times 40 times cosine 58. So simplifying that down, you just add these two together, which is 2,624, and then you times these numbers together, including that cosine of 58, and it gives you 1,356.6. And then you just simplify further by minusing these two numbers. You get this. Since it's A squared, you would do the square root of this number, and you get 35.6. So this side would be 35.6. For the last question, it gives you 3 sides again, and you're looking for angle C. So you're going to use this formula, C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times cosine C. And you notice that when you're finding one angle, the 2 other angles are the only if you're looking for one side, the 2 other sides are the only sides that you use on one side. You wouldn't use like C on this other side. So then if this is side C, we plug it in. 244 squared equals 189 squared plus 168 squared minus 2 times A again times B again times cosine C. So once you simplify that, you get 50,000. This number equals, here, you minus this number, both sides, So on one side you have negative 4,409 equals negative 63,505, 504 cosine C. Divide both sides by this. Get that, and then to find C, to do the inverse cosine of the number you just got. And you get 94. So this angle would be 94 degrees.